Before getting into the video, please pause and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my content. And don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell icon.
У нас самолет сбили. Прямо у нас. Вон.
Вот. Парашют.
Да. Самолет чей хоть?
Русский.
Русский?
Утопить того мудака, блядь.
Резать нахуй свинью.
This just in. Close-up footage of a Russian military helicopter being shot down in Ukraine last March has been released. A missile attack by Ukrainian fighters against the advancing Russian Mi-24 helicopter was conducted. The attack resulted in the helicopter falling into the Kyiv reservoir. Although the Russian helicopter's pilot was able to eject, he drowned in the river and died. Ukraine finally found the remains of the helicopter last June, while the body of the Russian pilot was found and removed from the river on Tuesday.